Hi guys, this is Adnaan Ahmed. You are watching Technoxity. So guys, in today's video, I am going to teach you how you guys can edit a video in the ratio 18:9, irrespective of your software you're using, and you can just learn this by watching this video completely. So make sure you watch it without skipping the video. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Let's roll the intro. So alright guys, we are here on the channel. Now let's go back to Filmora. We are going to use it in this video. So let me just close this, and there is Filmora here. You can use this on any software, even if you are editing a video on your mobile phone. So guys, in this video there will be two parts. One is teaching you how you guys can show up a tutorial. Like if you can see here on the screen, there is this one, and if you had seen the video that I uploaded today, there was a mobile screen going on the screen. And if you guys have to shoot a face cam video, I'll show you how you can do that one using the same trick. So guys, first of all, you can just open up a photo editing software. For now, to show you on the screen, I'll just use the canva.com. that is free to use. You can sign up using your Google account or Facebook account, or just a Gmail ID or an email ID either. So first of all, go to YouTube thumbnail. That will give you a fixed aspect ratio, that is 16:9, and I'm teaching you how you can edit 18:9 photo. So first of all, head over to elements and add a rectangular element there. So for that, just search rectangle and you'll get a shape there. Add that shape, and when you have it on the screen here, when you just take it on the top, you can just see the border coming up on the screen. So that border shows you a part of 18:9 ratio. So first of all, make this change the shape of the rectangle to black, and you can just see this distance over here guys. This distance, make this rectangle cover half of it or 3/4 part of it. So scroll this a little bit more up, and then just extend the sides of it to the end of the screen. So this will make up the border on the top. Control C, Control V, that will duplicate the layer, and bring this down and adjust it in the same way that you had uploaded. So you can see this marker on the screen shows you 18 more than 18:9. So pull it a little bit more down, just like the top one, and this is your 18:9 aspect ratio. So for now, if you want to design a background for a video, you can just add a background color to the screen there, and this will give you a background color. And you can just keep in mind whatever you have to edit that should come up in this area. This is your work area, and you will have to edit it in this much area provided in the image. And if you guys have to add a lower third, if you have to add a scrolling text, you need a background for it, you can just add it here itself. So you can just go back to elements, add another rectangle, and put it here. Make it the smallest, and if how much ever thick you want to keep it, and then extend it on both the sides, and have a lower third area bar, and you can add scrolling text there. If you don't want that, you can just remove that. So guys, this image has to be imported. You can just see this image was made by me, and I have it on the background, and then I put up a screen recording on the top of it, and then I add up a screen this kind of image there, and it will just make up a mobile phone screen, and I make up a tutorial there. What if your guys are making a face cam video? For that guys, you will just need to first add up a sample color in the background that will be 16:9 with 16:9 aspect ratio. Then you can just go back and make few changes to the image here. So make sure you make the background in this image completely green. So that will be a green, that will act as a green screen for your image. And make sure you don't add any kind of image that is somewhere related to green, just like my logo. My logo is kind of bluish, but then that's a shade of green. So when you can just see the logo color, it will just turn up into dark blue or something, some kind of that stuff. So you can just do this, and then go back and add whatever text you want here, or if you don't want anything there, and if you want to have a channel icon on top right, you can just add up one. I had it here somewhere uploaded. So here is the logo. I'll just add it there, and I'll put it up somewhere in the corner. And if your logo is a different shade, you can add it, or else you can do that while editing the video. So remove this one, and then just save this image, and whatever you have here, you can just add the background here, add a face cam video in this layer, then another layer will be made. Let me just show you. If I add up another layer here, another layer will be made, and in this layer you can just place the image that you just save. For now, let me just download this one and let me just show you what I'm actually talking about. So first you can just save this image and it will be saved in the downloaded section. Go back, import a photo, import media files, go to download section, add this photo into the computer, add it onto your timeline in the third timeline, and then extend it up to here. And let me change this one because I need a white background to show you guys the difference between the actual video. Okay, let me add this green one. Okay, no, let me add a white itself, it will be there somewhere. Yeah, let me add this one, and let me extend this, and this will be the base color. And when you have a video here, then another layer will be made, and in that layer you can add this photo. I am not adding it, and just showing you. I'll just add this here. So you can just extend this, right click on it, and green screen. Yeah, make sure you have a software that has a green screen feature, and you can just see these black marks will escape out in the screen when the user swipes or expands the screen while watching your video on YouTube. You can't have a fixed 18:9 aspect ratio, but then when you edit in such a way, the black bars go on into the bezels of the mobile phone, and your viewer will have a 18:9 aspect ratios video delivered by you. So that's it guys. While exporting, have the best settings enabled, and click on settings and select the FPS 60 FPS, then click OK and do that stuff and export it the best way and deliver a best video to your viewers. That's it in this video guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you guys like this video, and if you guys have any other tutorial requests, then you can just comment down below, and meet you in the next one guys. Until then, goodbye, see you, goodbye.